Good day, people. This is Maritime First Academy. So today's video is gonna be a short introduction to Forex, or for all the newbies in the house. For anyone that doesn't want to start Forex newly, this video is I'm going to explain what Forex is generally, what you need to know first if you are just starting from Forex. Starting in the Forex, you want to start trading Forex in the Forex market. Okay. Yes, I hope you take your time to watch and listen attentively. It's going to be a short video. So what does Forex generally mean? It means the foreign exchange is where different currencies, different banks comes to different currencies altogether come to trade their pairs. Like example, when maybe the Great British Pound trades against the Japanese yen, the euro trade against the US dollar. Is all, as the name implies, foreign exchange. Canadian dollar against the US dollar. It's all, that's what it means. That's what Forex is altogether. It's just foreign exchange. Okay, and then first we have major pairs and minor pairs. For example, our major pairs. Let me show you. We have them. Don't mind the volatility up there. We have AUD USD, that's Australian dollar, sorry, Australian dollar to US dollar, EUGBP, that's euro to Great British Pound, then USD, US dollar against the Japanese yen, and so forth. These are major pairs. Minor pairs are CAD, CHF, and the rest. So if you want to get started, there are just some basic things you should know about the forex market. The daily inflow of money that goes in the forex market is about 8 trillion US dollars. Yeah, if I'm correct, yes, $8 trillion. The last time we checked, that's the amount of money that goes that circulates every daily in the forex market is about 8 trillion US dollars. Yeah, that's quite a lot. So that's why we need to start making money through forex. So no matter how much you think you can make, you cannot make $8 trillion. Just a joke. You cannot make $8 trillion. So you need to start making money from forex. Okay, that's why we're here. That's why Maritime First Academy is here. We'll teach you what you need to start making money from forex altogether. So that being said, let's dive into the chart. As you can see, this is how your chart should look like. So once you go to your chart, this is your USD. It's a major pair in the currency in forex market. So what you need to first of all understand is the movements of the market, the market structure. But that's big English. How market structure does generally what the market is doing at the current time. So right now, market is what? There are three. Sorry, let me just say it this way. There are three movements in the market. The three movements in the market. Okay. The three movements in the market. Let me just explain. Let me just bring out some tools to explain how the market moves. These are some tools. Don't worry. When you get used to trading, you will start you start familiarizing using all these tools. Okay, so we have the first way is the up movement. Okay, we have the upward movement. The second way the market moves is the downward movement, and the third way is the sideways market moves in three ways. There are only three ways market can move. Upward, downward, and sideways. There's no other movement you can concord from forex again. There's no other movement you can concord that can happen again in first aside these three. All right, that's what we need to know as if you want to begin learning forex, the different and various movement of the forex charts. Okay, chart as in CHART. Let me get rid of this. My data is not currently on, so that's why market is not moving. I just needed this to, I just wanted to prepare this video to explain, just give a little intro on what the forex market is all about. So yeah, let me explain. Let me explain it now. What I said about the upward, downward, and sideways movement. Now let's go. Clearly, we can see this is what a downward movement. Bam. You see, the market is moving downwards. So we have seen a what, a downward movement. I'm not going to explain about all those lower lows. It's not the time yet. We're just starting. So let me just make this quick for you. These are lower lows and sorry, this market is moving downwards. That's one movement. Let's go. Let's see. Let me explain another one. But market is currently the market is trending downwards. Let me get an example of an upward movement for you. All right. Bam. This is what. This is what an upward movement. The market is moving up. There's an upward movement in the market. Now let's get a sideways movement, and if you, let me just capture another sideways. See it. But this is sideways movement in sideways, or what, the consolidation. Yes, when the market is consolidating, meaning the market has not decided where it wants to go to. This is what we call the sideways movement. So basically, these are the three movements of the forex market. There's no other thing you need to know. There's no other movement you need to put in your head. The market can only move one of three ways: the upward, middle, or consolidation rather, sorry, and what's the word for it, the downward movement. Those are the three major ways market moves. That's what we call, with all big English, we call it a market structure. What is the market doing? But let's leave that aside. Then let's go to yeah sorry yeah so basically, that is what you should need to know firstly when you are learning, when you want to start learning about the forex market. You need to first of all understand how the market moves. Yes, understand how the market moves. Then let me explain other things. These candles you're seeing, you're seeing represent the daily, represents the moves in the market. If you see moves in the market, the green represents a buying candle, while the red represents a selling candle. Meaning, if it's the market, you come to the market and you see a green candle, meaning the market at that time is buying. But if you come to the market and see a red candle, meaning it means the market is selling at that moment. Okay. Yes, but it's basically your own preference. You can set it to, I don't know what this is, but I think they are, I don't know what they are, but preferably us, for us forex traders, we use candle patterns. You can set it to lines. It all depends on what you prefer, but most of us, we use candle, because it's much more easier to understand like that. This is how to call candlesticks in forex. Candlesticks. I hope the video is not too long. Okay. Yeah, so basically, this is just an intro video to what you need to know about forex. Then let's go to lot size. But I think, yes, let's go to lot size. Lot size means the amount of money you are willing to open for a trade. And so as you can see up there, where you see 0.01, this is the lowest lot size you can use for. This is the lowest lot size you can use to take any trade in currency pairs. In your currency pair, is the lowest lot size. Why the highest, I think, is about 100 or 500 standard lot. These are, yes, my data is not currently on, so, but just know that this 0.01 is the lowest lot size you can use in trading in currency pairs, because forex is a wide scope. We have the synthetic indices, that's the volatility they're about. Then we have crypto. Crypto is another branch of forex. So forex is quite It's quite broad. But for currency pair, which I'm going to be teaching you, the lowest losses you can use is 0.01. All right, that's it. Then I think basically that should be all. Let me not crowd your head with too much things first, but that should be all. So today we explained what forex is. Forex is a foreign exchange. Exchange means when two currencies are coming to what trade against each other or trade with each other. That's what forex means. Then while we got to understand how the market moves. We saw the upward movement. This is the upward movement here, the upward movement. Then we saw the sideways movement, and we saw the downward movement. Those are the three major ways the market can move. So first, let's first get our understanding of this this important information, because if I explain further, it will be too much or crowd. What's the word for it? Your information will be too crowded. All right. So let's stick with this first. Let's grab this, okay?